If CapCut is throwing exporting error 10011, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest fixes step by step so you can get your project exporting again without wasting time. This is especially helpful if the error started suddenly, your timeline looks fine, or CapCut keeps failing every time you hit export. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to turn off hardware acceleration, check for corrupted clips, and clear your cache the right way. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and editing tips. Let's jump into it. The first thing to do is disable hardware acceleration, because in many cases, CapCut's export error 10011 is caused by performance settings that conflict with your system. Open CapCut and go to the menu in the top left corner, then click Settings, or if you see the gear icon, you can use that instead. Once the Settings window opens, look for the Performance tab. Inside this tab, find the option that says Speed up hardware encoding or hardware acceleration, depending on your version. Uncheck that option, then click Save. After that, fully restart CapCut so the change can take effect. Once the app reopens, try exporting your video again and see if the error is gone. If the export still fails, the next thing you should check is your timeline for corrupted clips. Sometimes, one broken or missing media file can stop the entire export process, even if everything else looks normal. Go through your timeline carefully and look for any clips that appear blank, deleted, missing, offline, or marked with an error. If you find a suspicious clip, remove it and replace it with the original file if possible. Then test the export again. This step is important because CapCut may not always clearly tell you which asset is causing the problem, so reviewing the timeline manually can save you a lot of trial and error. Now, if you're still seeing exporting error 10011, the next fix is to clear the CapCut cache. Over time, cached files can become corrupted or too large and interfere with editing and exporting. To do this, go back into CapCut settings and open the draft section. Look for the cache size area, and next to it you should see a trash icon. Click that icon to clear the cache. Once the cache is deleted, restart CapCut again and try your export one more time. This often helps when the app is lagging, freezing, or failing during render. If the issue is still there after all three steps, I'd recommend checking whether CapCut is updated to the latest version and making sure your project media is stored locally rather than in a damaged or disconnected folder. But in most cases, disabling hardware acceleration, checking for corrupted clips, and clearing the cache will fix exporting error 1001. If this video helped you get past the error, hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.